Hello everyone, and welcome to the National Cooking Channel, Eat Well, Live Well. Today we're going to be making a keto sausage and pepperoni flatbread pizza. But first, if you're new to our channel or it's the first time watching one of our videos, please take the time to hit the like, the subscribe, and notification buttons, which will notify you whenever we release new video content, which will generally be once a week. Before we make our flatbread pizza, let's dive into a little bit of history of where flatbreads originated from. So flatbreads may have been existing somewhere even possibly 7,000 years ago. And with Roman discoveries, it looks like the Roman civilization may have been the first to add toppings to their flatbreads, which closely resembles modern day pizza as it is today. Now modern day pizza, as you would know, is Italian and actually originated in Italy in the 18th century. Now it was mostly eaten there, and it wasn't really broadly influenced to other countries until World War II, when soldiers were being flown over there, allies were being flown over there, and were eating pizza over there, which now has greatly influenced the rest of the world to also eat pizza. So now pizza is pretty much common as it is with hamburgers, hot dogs, Chinese food. You find delivery places all over the place. So it's really easy to get pizza these days. Now making a good pizza or a healthy pizza, well, that's much harder to come by. That's where we're going to make our own. So today we're going to make our flatbread pizza, guys. So let's go ahead and make our flatbread keto pizza. First we're going to make our basting sauce, which we're going to use to spread onto our flatbread. For this we're going to need a small bowl, Italian seasoning, olive oil, pepper, and garlic salt. Now let's go make our basting sauce. First we're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of our olive oil. Next we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt. Next we're going to take our basting brush and stir all that around, mix it all together, which should look like this. We're going to go ahead and set it off to the side. Now that we're done with the sauce, let's go over the ingredients that we're going to need to make the toppings for our pizza. We're going to need our olive oil basting sauce we did earlier. We're going to need our pizza sauce, our mozzarella cheese, our pepperoni, and Italian sausage. Next we're going to go ahead and get a pizza stone. Then we need to go ahead and get our flatbread, which in this case I'm using flatbread that I bought from Costco. It's called BakeSense, and it has 10 net carbs and very high in fiber. We're going to take our basting brush and the basting sauce we had from earlier. I'm going to brush that lightly onto the flatbread. Next we're going to go ahead and add our pizza sauce. Here we're using a Mozzarella low sugar and low carbs pizza sauce. Once we're done with our pizza sauce, we're going to go ahead and add a layer of mozzarella cheese. After we're done with the cheese, we're going to go ahead and place our pepperoni toppings on. And once we're done with our pepperoni, we're going to go ahead and add our Italian sausage. And then we're going to top it off with mozzarella cheese. Now that our pizza is fully prepped, we're going to go ahead and bake our pizza in the oven at 400 degrees and approximately for 15 minutes. And once our pizza is completed, it should look similar to what we have here. And there you have it, a delicious keto, low-carb flatbread pizza. That concludes our culinary journey for today, and I hope you enjoyed making our keto sausage pepperoni flatbread pizza as much as we did. Also, if you like the dish, you made any modifications to the dish, or if you have any recommendations for future recipes, please let us know by leaving a comment down below. As a community of experimentation, we'd love to hear about it. If you like what you see, please don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe, and notification button, which will notify you whenever we update future releases of food content to our channel. Until next time, eat well, live well, and we'll see you at our next culinary journey. Bye for now.